In this Inkscape tutorial, we'll learn the Boolean operations like union, difference, exclusion, division, or cut path. So Inkscape just gives us more options to create different shapes by just using combination and subtraction, or difference, or intersection, or exclusion, as we'll see in this tutorial. So if we select both shapes, go to Object Path menu and select Union to create a brand new shape. Or again, select both shapes, go to Path, Difference, so the top shape is subtract from the bottom shape. We could select both shapes again and use intersection, or we could select both shapes, go to Path menu and exclusion to give us an area, the exclusive area between the two shapes. It's just a different way to create shapes. So as we see, the union is a permanent new shape. We could continue try different operators. I think we should try the division and the cut path because they look similar, but they are different, as we shall see in this example. So if you select both and use a division, so it gives us it just divides one shape from the other. But if you use the cut path menu, it gives us another intersection, another division, but it's just the intersecting points. So as we see, there are two different, the division and the cut path shapes gives us two brand new shapes with different characteristics. It's just a straight line, whereas this one gives us a segment. If we delete this, we could do some more operators. If you select both shapes, try union, so that's permanent. The union and the combine are different. So if you try the combine, we can, and I'm using the combine menu now, we could go to path menu and say break up, and then it's not permanent, it's just temporary combination, as we shall see, as we can see in here. Again, use exclusion, just playing with the shape. So try different combinations, see how each one of them works. You could create a leaf, design a car, design a van, but just using a few simple Boolean operators. We could try group a few objects. A tip here is, if you use a group and try to subtract from the bottom shape, Inkscape gives you an error statement at the bottom. So if we group these two shapes together and try to subtract from the rectangle, it's not going to work. The way to do it is, if you go to Path menu, now let's try to subtract. It gives us an error saying you cannot subtract path from an object. So if you go to Object menu, ungroup, and then convert to Path, just say Object to Path and then combine, now we can easily subtract. So the top shape is subtracted from the bottom shape, as we can see here. Just experiment with the options, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.